It just takes time, it takes money.
It's fun to build it too, though. Yeah. Because once you're done, it kind of sucks.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to yet another video. I appreciate you guys for tuning in as always. As you guys can probably tell from the thumbnail, we're on our way to another private meet. You guys have been running these views up, so like I said, I'm gonna keep my word and we're gonna keep coming out. But tonight we're not gonna go ahead and take the F-150. Actually, let me flip the camera around and show you guys this truck. So here she is. This is the truck that actually started everything for me. So this is my 2019 F-150, obviously 5.0, 10-speed. And yeah, this thing, I don't know. There's so much to say about this truck. This is my baby. This is my glory. This is my absolute everything, man. Ha! Gay! So, but like I said, tonight we're not going to take this truck out. We're actually going to go pick up the Mustang, and then we're actually going to take out my pops tonight. So usually my pops does come out with us, but he's usually in his own car. So, and I'm usually riding alone. So I'm like, hey, you know what? Tonight's probably not going to be that crazy. Would you like to come out with us? And he's like, you know what? Bet. I'll ride passenger. You know, try to get a couple videos for you guys, try to get better angles, this, that, and the third. But we'll probably pick up the camera once we go ahead and hop into the other car and pick up my pops. So let's get to it. Boom, and just like that, guys, we done made it. Oh shit. We done made it to the meet. There's a bunch of nice cars out here tonight. I thought it was gonna be, well, the post said 500 plus, but everything out here looks more than 500. Look at this Mustang. This Mustang looks sick. These are a couple cars that we ran last week. What the thing? This is a Pro Charged Vev. You guys haven't seen my Instagram, go check it out. We got some pretty good runs with this guy. He does need a better tune, so probably once he gets it retuned, we'll have a better run, but it was super close regardless. And then obviously we got the Hellcat. I want to say it's a Hellcat. And then we got this Camaro. You guys have seen this one before, but this thing is so sick. And yeah, we're out with Pops tonight. So there you go. Brought Pops out here. How you feeling? You nervous?
No.
No?
No, not at all.
So we used to always be out here.
Get some runs.
Hell yeah. Yeah. Oh, this thing is sick. Walk around?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's walk this way. Coming over here. These S650s are making a comeback, or they're on their come up.
So he got him good, bro.
What's the ES? Oh, it's a Pro Charger kit. I've heard these cars with a Pro Charger are pretty nasty too, so we'll see. Ooh, this wheel setup is sick. That looks nice. Oh, I've been seeing these taillights. I've been seeing these taillights for hours over there. But I told myself that with this car, I'm not gonna do lights. Like, it's usually the first thing I do, lights. So on Coyote, on the Chevy, anything, I upgrade the lights. But this one has to be pure performance. Oh, you got the G80. BMW guys. Man, that thing sounds nasty. Man, that wheel setup is so sick. We're definitely gonna stay away from this guy tonight. That's for sure. We got another Camaro coming up. just when you think you have the rarest color out here, you run into another grabber blue S650 with the same lip. Yikes. But
The only difference is the wheels.
yeah. But don't get me wrong, I like this, but I think black was kind of complements it better. And this one has fog lights. Look, I didn't even know that. I didn't even know that was a thing on the Mustangs. And you got a dark horse over here. I think the Mustangs are out tonight porque mira, hay un Shelby allá.
Oh, yeah?
You see it? The
No, es el de camarada.
No, I don't think so. Oh, this is el black one. No, look at that Honda with a parachute. Oh hell no. I don't even know why they post horsepower numbers nowadays on these meets, because look, Honda's pulling up with parachutes. Hell no, I'll stay away from him. These Hellcats, these Challengers kind of growing on me. That's a really nice color. So sick. This thing's badass, bro. Yeah. Imagínate. Pinche Hondita con un chingo de power, that's all you need. Mira esta madre hasta roll cage trae. Everybody's worried about the Whipple Mustang. Worried about a turbo Civic. They've been running it. They've been running the game since the freaking early 2000s. Fuck. El único pedo es que siento que cuando vas manejando te estás tragando todo el humo del escape.
No alcanzas a salir.
I respect them though, they're all stick shift. Stick shift cars. Se respeta.
You like my truck?
This thing is so sick. His wheel setup is goals. One day, y'all, one day.
I got there's a truck. Oh, la troca de Miguel. It's on the rack by the time it together. So if he does brings it down.
This looks sick too.
Leaves, he needs to bring it back up. Leave it inside.
I think this is next, guys. We need a... Oh, this shot right here goes crazy. We need a drag pack in our lives. Oh, an Evo.
Yeah, just right. That's perfect. No, so that's okay.
All the fast guys are out here. Damn. Yo, look at this size of this turbo. That's crazy.
That's a good turbo for the kid. Yeah. Because it pulls that fast. Yeah.
Fuck, man. these Civics are clean too.
I just need, you know, I need to get some wheels and suspension, but it just takes time, takes money.
It's fun to build it too, though.
Yeah.
Once you're done, it kind of sucks.
What do I do now?
Yeah.
Make it
Buy
faster.
something else.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Alrighty guys, so as you guys just saw, they just called the next spot. We're heading down southbound, so it's gonna be a little bit of a longer cruise, but should make for a good video. But how you feeling?
Good, excited. Let's do it.
Hell yeah, there's a bunch of cars out here, so we'll see. We'll get some reactions of my pops. Like I said, we're gonna take it easy tonight, watch everybody else race.
Stop the cap.
And yeah, just try to have fun, guys. Let's get it.
Few inches later.
La vencha.
Esa está arreglada. Pero no, o sea, no te dejó como pensó que te iba a dejar.
Yeah, no.
No te dejó como pensó que te iba a dejar, güey.
Holy shit. Hey, but for an SUV to be moving out like that? Holy.
That was a good, like, that's worth racing.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. So if I do one and then somebody else gonna think that, all right, bet, let's get it because they know I'm down, you know? But I mean, I gotta chill. I can't be the only one running. That's how you get burned. Let's let these guys go at it.
No, that was a good one.
Yeah,
That was,
yeah.
'cause I didn't even expect it. Like, we were both on the same page.
Míralos. Este güey también está turbo.
Oh, se me ve que ese güey lo conozco. Va al taller, güey. Yeah.
Oh, ahí van a arrancar otra vez, mira. Es el CTSV, I just don't know against what. Oh, ahí vienen. Oh, the F-150.
Oh, shit.
Ya, te digo que las F-150 de acá están perras. Oh, pues ahí está. Gotcha.
Carretera Correa.